आज है स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम फिजिकल साइंस 10th क्लास का। सबसे पहले 3-4 सेंटेंस वाले देखिए। रेनबो इज एग्जाम्पल फॉर कंटिन्यूस स्पेक्ट्रम एक्सप्लेन वाई आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स ड्रा द डायग्राम्स ऑफ s orbitals and p orbitals write the difference between orbit and orbitals. Electronic configuration of sodium is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. Then write the 4 quantum numbers of the first electrons in K shell. 5 to 6 सेंटेंस वाले देखिए। What happen when we heat iron rod on flame? Draw an electromagnetic waves. Write the Planck equation and explain the terms on it. How do colors come from Deepavali fireworks? Draw the structure of d orbitals. What is the NLX method? How it is useful? Write the difference between absorption spectrum and emission spectrum. इसके बाद लॉन्ग देखिए। Explain the postulate of Bohr model. Write the limitation. What is electronic configuration? Write the 3 principles of describe the electronic configuration for more than one electron in an atom. What are the quantum numbers? Explain that. Does each quantum number signify? Quantum numbers of the electronic is outermost orbital of the atom are given below. ये आपको देखना है, देखिए। What is the atomic number of elements? Write the electronic configuration of the elements. What is the outermost shell of the elements? What is the valency of elements? इससे रिलेटेड कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव देंगे। स्पीड ऑफ लाइट c इज कौन सा है लिखना है। When cupric chloride paste introduced into the non-luminous flame is produced color. Which one of the produce yellow light? Elliptical orbital introduced by. Number of integral value m1 for certain value of L. Maximum number of electron that can occupy in the subshell D. n plus L value of 3D कौन सा लिखना है। ये लिखिए। Which rule does not support this? Which rule is violated to electronic configuration 1s0 2s2 2p